Hello everyone, welcome today. Today on Sunday, yes, on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday. So I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, July the 3rd, 2021. We have three puzzles left. The letter Sudoku with 2 stars, and a tectonic. Three puzzles, and the first one I will do is a letter Sudoku. And this one, will be number 3046. Alright, so before I start, I always count the printed digits, or in this case, the letters. Printed letters, 27. Alright, so let's get started. Those are the letters that I can use, 9 letters. T, the U, the A, the O, the C, the B, the S, the I, the N. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. We have an O in this column, O in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the O should be there. Yeah. Alright. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those letters are the B and O, the bow. Yes. So in this row, so no B and O in these 2 boxes. The B and O goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the letters, the I see here an I, so no I there. The I should be here. And the letter N. Yes. So 2 letters left in this third row for the letters C and the S. The C and the S. CS. Well, I know the word botanicus. It's someone expert with plants, green plants, botanicus. Alright, let me finish the puzzle. Alright. So we have an A in the last row, A in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the A should be here or there. You see there, no A there, A should be there. Alright. Then. Yeah. The O in the third column, the O in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the O should be there. Yeah. See. In this column, 3 missing letters. The middle column, one of the missing letter is the A. We see an A in this big square, so no A in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A in the middle column should be there. 2 missing letters in this middle column for the letters O and the letter C. Yeah, the C, O and the C, O, C. Okay. Well, we have an O there. So here cannot be an O anymore. That box should be an O, and this box should be a C. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four missing letters. One of the missing letter is a B. We see here B, no B in these two boxes. There B, no B in that box. One box left for the B. Should be there. B in the last row, B in the row above. So that row, the only place for the B should be there. Then. See. The U. I'm missing the U. U. In this big square, three missing letters. One of the missing letters is a U. We see here U, no U there. So the U could be here or there. So we have a U in the third column, U in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there, U should be here. Then. All right. BB. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the letter is a B. The missing letter is the B. We see here B, no B in these three boxes. Here B, no B in those two boxes. There B in one of those two boxes in the first row, so no B in these two boxes. So one box left for the B should be there. All right. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is a T. We see here T, so no T in these two boxes. Here also a T, so no T in those two boxes. So one box left for the T should be there. Two letters are missing in this big square. Here we have the C and the S. The other two letters are the I and the U. We have I and the N. We see here an I, no I there. I should be here and the N goes there. Two letters are missing in the second row for the letters N and the I also, and then I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two letters. The other pair in this big square should be the C and the S. C and the S also. I cannot fill this yet. Okay. U. Okay. A. T. Yeah. All right. We have O in this row, O in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the O should be there. Now we have an O there, so this box can be O anymore. That box should be an O, and this box should be a B. So we have a B in this column, B in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the B should be here or there. We see there B and O, B there, B should be there. B in this row, B in the middle row, so the row above. The only three places for the B should be here, here, or there. We see there B, no B there, here B, no B there. The only place for the B should be there. And all the B's are used, I can see. Yes. CB. Then. How about? Do we have all the O's? Yeah. And all the O's are used, I can see. Yes. The O's, alright. How about the U? No, the U. I. We have an I in this column, I in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the I should be here or there. We see there and I, no I there. I should be here. I. Oh, no, I cannot. Cannot. B-O-N S. Okay. In this big square, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an S. We see there an S, no S there. So the S could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have an S in one of those 3 boxes in this row, and an S in the row above. So only 2 places for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there. S should be here. 2 boxes left. In this row, the U and the C are missing. Well, we see here C, no C there. C should be here, and the U goes there. And I've eliminated the U, so the U goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter I. So we have an I in this row, I in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the letter I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be there. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters T and N. T and N. We see here an N, no N there. N should be here and a T goes there. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter T. Okay. U and C. All right. Now we have a letter E there, so this box cannot be an E anymore. That box should be an E, and this box should be an N. SC. Okay, SC. Now we have a C there, so this box cannot be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be an S. 1 letter is missing in the 3rd column for the letter the S. The S is missing here. Yes, S is missing. So we have a SS there. Okay. So in this column, we have 2 letters missing. The S and the C are missing. We see here an S, so no S there. S should be here, and the C goes there. All right. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letter C and the U. C-U. C-U. Yes, C-U. All right. C-U. C-U. So we have a C in this row, C in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. 2 letters are missing in the first column. For the letters A and the N. The A and the N are missing. We see here an A, no A there. A should be here, and the N goes there. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters I and the T. We see here an I, no I there. I should be here, and the T goes there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the T. We see here T, no T in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the T, should be there. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters N and the U. N and the U. Let me mark those 2 boxes, N and the U. Here also N and the U. We have an N here, no N there. N should be here, and the U goes there. 1 letter missing in this big square for the letter U. 2 letters are missing in this row for the letters S and T. S and T, we see here T, no T there. T should be here, and the S goes there. Now we have an S there, so this box can't be S anymore. That box should be an S, and this box should be a C. Now we have a C there, so this box cannot be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be a U. And the final 2 letters in this big square for the letters A and N. We have an N there, no N there, N should be here, and an A goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Normally, I need 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. But I'm pleased with the time, 16 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.